Nagkakilala tayo sa cheering group. Ako pa nga tong taga-biro, taga-asar, at sa akin nagsasabi ng mga ka-cheerer natin na gusto ka nila. Steroid pa nga ang tawag ko sa'yo kasi ang lakas mo. Nang dahil sa lakas na yun, hindi ko akalain na dun pala ako mahuhulog at sisimulang na mahalin ka. Nagsimula sa simpleng asaran, biruan, kulitan na napunta sa katotohanan. August 6, 2012, nung naging tayo. Masaya ko dahil pareho natin pinili ang isa't isa. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, ang saya ko kasi may Darwin Arcelius na ako sa buhay ko. Gustong gusto ko yung message mo sa akin nung first monthsary natin. I live in this city to find who I really was and to live like an ordinary guy. I didn't expect that this is going to happen to me. I told to myself that I am not ready for a relationship because I've been through with any kind of relationship. I experienced the cry, hurt, betray, but God gave us a way to find each other. Now that I have you, I'll never let you go. Hope you don't give up on me. I hope also that you are the right girl that I've been searching for a long time. And I can change myself for who I was before. You need to expand your understanding to me and know me more. I know since the day we start this relationship, I never said that word. I wanted to felt it from the bottom of my heart. And I say it too. Just wait, and I'll give myself to you. I hope you do the same. Happy first monthsary. Biglaan mang naging tayo, pero ramdam ko sa puso at sa isip ko na tama ang sagot ko at sigurado ako sa lahat ng tanong. Sayang, 2 months lang inabot ng unang naging tayo. Sorry dahil nagpatalo ako sa nararamdaman ko. Akala ko kasi wala lang ako sa'yo. 3 months rule is done. Hi January! Pero sa 3 months na yun, andyan pa din yung communication. Text, chat, kulitan sa comments, pero di ko masabi, I want you back. Dumaan ang Pasko, New Year, pero I'm waiting till he asks na I want you to go back with my life. At nasagot ni God yun. I'm shocked, happy, and naiiyak. Reading the message na tayo na yun. January 9, 2013, 1 a.m. Na-start ng 2013 kasi nagkabalikan kami. Thanks sa gift. Nag-start tayo sa tawagan na buko dahil kasi naman nauso yung kantang yan. Sa second chance na to, promise ko sa sarili ko na hindi na ako magiging mahina ang loob dahil magiging matapang na ako. Aalagaan at mamahalin ko ang relasyon na to. January 17, 2013. Salamat sa bigay mong infinity. Heart na sing-sing. Tamang kwento pero tamang bigla ng suot mo yung sing-sing sa akin. Nakakakilig. Facebook time and seeing my picture with wedding gown. Nakita mo kung paano tsura ko kapag ikakasal na ako. Then, ni-message mo sa akin nung nakita mo yun. I see you in that wedding dress. Feels like I'm the luckiest guy in the whole wide world. And I said to myself, I don't want to lose this girl to me. She's the girl for me. Han, I love you so much. I want to see you as my wife. I want you to be the mother of my child. I love you, Han. February 14, 2013, Valentine's Day. Hangad ko lang makasama at mahag ang kiss yung hand ko. Pero unexpected sa Freedom Park 3 p.m. Nakatalikod ako, pagligon ko, hala yung hand ko may daladalang bulaklak. Para sa akin, binilan pa niya ako ng buko at tuhog-tuog. Sweet no? Simple date means a lot. Ang sabi niya sa text, 12:39 a.m. You are the best girlfriend I've ever have. You are the girlfriend that's been understanding me to everything. I love you so much, hon. Kahit ano pa tawag ko sa'yo, it was only you. Happy Valentine's Day, hon. Kakatawa kung sinabi mo kahit hindi Valentine's, bibigyan mo ko ng bulaklak. March 5. Kahit pagod ka sa practice, you made me surprised kahit simpleng video with message. Nakakaiyak yun, Han. Message for me. To have you as my girl is my honor and words aren't enough to tell you how much I love you. You're the one that God gave it to me, and I will taking good care of you. Han, I know in our past we made bad memories, but God gave us another chance to make things right, and it's the perfect time for us to change it. We both give us a chance to do it. I will not let relationship ruin again. You're the best girlfriend I've ever have. Kahit na sobrang selosa ka, matampuhin ka, at sobrang moody, I always here for you to understand because I love you big time. Na minsan may away at hindi tayo magkaunawaan, meron nagbababa ng pride, ako or ikaw. Kahit ganun at hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan, di ba nga ang galing-galing ko, nasasuyo pa rin kita. Happy 3rd monthsary, Han. Message mo sa akin itong 3rd monthsary. You always did something whenever I'm mad on you or things that I don't like. You got me on that. But don't worry, I'll be fine. Maybe I just miss you so much, and I do love you so much that you can imagine, and maybe sometimes I feel cold in our relationship, but soon as possible I want to avoid that feeling. I will be fine. Happy 3rd monthsary to Han. I miss you. Have to sleep na. Mas mukha ka pang zombie kesa sakin. This May 9, 2013, masaya ako nakikita ko ang isang Darwin, Han ko na sobrang mapagmahal, concern, worry, sweet, maingat at mahal ako. Wag na wag kang magbabago. Minahal kita nung bilang ikaw sa lahat ng bagay. Moody man, lagi man ako pinapagalitan, pero asa tama. Salamat sa advice bilang isang friend, kapatid, barkada, higit sa lahat, boyfriend ko. I'm proud of you, Han. Gustong gusto ko sa iyo at minahal ko yung mga bagay na not too showy pero nalalaman ko sa iba, yun pala pagdating sa akin, iba ka. Yung smile mo kapag napapatawa kita, yung tulog ka sa tabi ko, para kang babing nakaakap. Yung hinahamon ako sa kulitan, yung tingin na di ko malilingon, yung makulit na kaladyaan at laro, at madami pang iba. Ikaw yung boyfriend na game sa lahat ng bagay. This 4 months, Han, lalo akong magiging strong, understanding, true, at mas lalo ka pang mamahalin, at never ever magbabago. Ang love ko, sa halip, madadagdagan pa. Sana ikaw din. Sa lahat man ng problema, sana lagi kang andyan para sa akin, sabay natin lulutasin. Mahirap man tayo magkaintindihan or magkaunawaan at nagkakasabay tayo, sana andun pa din yung moment na magkakatinginan tayo at sasabay tayong mapapaisip na, hala, eto na naman tayo at sabay tayong tatawa. Mahirap man ikaw suyuin ang isang Darwin Arcillas, promise, hindi ako mawawala at gagawin ko yung the best ko para mawalay tampo galit mo sa akin. Tahan, all in all, thank you sa'yo for having me in your life and you for knowing me a lot. God, thanks sa gift na sobrang special in every way. Ang relationship na to is napaka-challenging pero magiging matatag kami pareho sa sisira at maninira sa amin. Pag ganun, mas lalo naming mamahalin ang isa't isa. Han ko, I won't promise everything. Let destiny flow with it kasi alam naman natin na dyan tayo nagsimula. I will love you 1,000 years and I will never let you go. Sabi nga sa kanta, ngayong naririto, isang katulad mo na labis na nagmamahal ng buong tapat na angakong akin lamang. Pag-ibig na wagas ang siyang naramdaman, yan ay nagmumula sa iyo, sa puso ko, na kapwa ay hindi magbabago. Sa lahat-lahat ng laban ko, you are the best trophy na napanalunan ko. I love you, Han. I love you big time. And I love you forever. Alam mo yan. Happy 4th monthsary. Many anniversaries sa atin in advance. I love you.